On a nice 60-degree day in February, I came out with my Nikon camera to take you on a tour of another free crossing bridge connecting Pennsylvania to New Jersey. The Riverton Hotel and Restaurant is the first building on the Pennsylvania side. We'll be walking across the bridge from Pennsylvania, where Water Street crosses the bridge, connecting to the town of Belvidere, New Jersey. Like the Riegelsville Bridge, the Riverton-Belvidere Bridge was built in 1904 and also replaced a covered wooden structure that was destroyed in the 1903 Delaware River flood. The bridge was built by the New Jersey Bridge Company. It is a 4-span, riveted steel, double-Warren truss, and it is 653 feet long. It has an open grate steel deck and can handle vehicles up to 8 tons. There is no toll across this bridge, as it is supported by the tolls collected on the Delaware River Joint Toll Bridge Commission's other bridges. It crosses the Delaware River south of Route 80 in Portland, Pennsylvania, and is north of the 2 bridges connecting Easton, Pennsylvania to Phillipsburg, New Jersey. Belvidere is a very historic town and has many old houses and churches. It's a very rustic destination and is a safe place to visit. It's also home to several fantastic places to eat. Pequest River runs parallel to Water Street on the New Jersey side, and there it runs into the Delaware. The waterfall can be enjoyed from the Humble Lions Club Park on the northern bank. The water was running clear but fairly high on the day that I was there. A railroad bridge built in 1914 crosses near the man-made waterfall and is still in use today.